You have an idea. You want it running on the internet by the end of the day. Vibe coding makes that possible, and this course shows you exactly how. We start from how AI models actually write code, then build a real Python application together, ship it live, and walk away with a workflow you can reuse forever. 10 focused episodes, one Python project that grows with you. We cover the mental model behind AI completion, the tools you will actually use, the prompts that work, and the moments when AI gets things wrong and you have to step in. Practical, not magical. Karpathy named the shift, and the rest of us are living it. You no longer write code line by line. You describe what you want, the model writes it, and your job becomes steering the result. By the end of episode 10, you will have a live deployed Python app that you built almost entirely through conversation with an AI. Open your laptop, install Python, and let's get to work.